You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
Make a great choice today with the 2022 Ascent. The Subaru Ascent is a breath of fresh air to families in need of more room. The reliability, safety, and practicality that Subaru has always been known for is now brought to you with third-row seating. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, stability control, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.